Welcome back, Topo Lufiron here. In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Inshot app. It's a video editing app that is very helpful when you want to edit your videos. So the first thing is this. Let's go to the Google Play Store. That's where you get your Inshot app. You click on it, then you type Inshot. Yes, this is it, Inshot video editor. You click on it, then you scroll. So this is how it looks like. You will say it, Inshot video editor and video app. So click on it. Now you can see what is showing me here on install and open. Because I already have it in my phone, I don't need to, that's why it's showing on install. So basically, what is it about? Inshot, you will see written here, Inshot video editor, Inshot video editor and photo editor with all features. So basically, is a video editor. It can help you for video, for music, for effects. And you see all the features here: video trimmer, video maker with trim function, cut videos to the length you need, video splitter, video merger, video cropper, anything in video. Lots of stylish collage. So you can use it for video, you can add music, you can add filter, you can add text, video speed control, and so many other things that it can do. Easily convert video to MP4 format, free video converter and video trimmer app. And it's easy to share. You can easily share it. So that being said, let us go into the app itself and see how it works. So I just scroll back to where the app is on my phone. Inshot, where are you? So here it is. So you just click on it. So I just want to quickly run through how it works. The first thing you notice is there's a setting, a wheel here where you see the different settings, and they have the free and the pro version. You can opt for pro if you want, and you see the payment there. So this is your settings option. So you will see here, create new. You see video, photo, and collage. So it depends on which one of these that you want to use. So I'll just quickly show you. So for video, you just click on it. You will see all the past videos I've made. Then if you want to bring in a new video, you just tap on new. Good. So it will immediately show you all the videos in your mobile device. So I can pick any of the videos. So for example, let's say I want to pick this. Once you click on it, you see this green button. Click on this green button. So here you have the video. So in this particular section, there are a number of things you can do. The canvas is there. The canvas just refers to the dimension you want to change it to. If you don't want any frame, you click on this. If you want 1:1, you click on this. If you want 4:5, if you want 16:9, just whatever you want, you can pick any of them, and you can zoom in, zoom out, just the way you want it. Once you are satisfied with what you want, you click this. Then the next thing here is music. You can add different music. There are different array of music here, right? And there are specific music from Inshot themselves. That is the classic part here. Then you can also upload your own music from your phone, and you can also add different effects. If you want transition effect, if you want airplane effect, whatever effect, all of these things, you need to explore them and see how it works. Just play around it. You will see that it's very, very cool. Then there are features here, and of course we've seen music. So you can always go back. Then you have your text. You can write. You can write. Let's assume we are writing here tutorial. But before you write, you make sure that you've created space, and you can change this thing that looks like different colors. That is where I clicked on to get to this place. So meaning that you can change your text color, the text you're using, you can change it to whatever color, right? And once you are done, so you need to have created a place where you want to put it. So preferably when you are at the section of Canva, you make it such that, good, there is a space for your text. Good. So we can go back to text. In fact, is here to edit. You see the pencil thing at the top right. So you can move it up just to fit into whatever space you've created. So to edit, you must always click on text and you'll be able to edit it. Then you move it. You just make sure you adjust it properly. Good. You just put it there. And you can add anything you want to add. So that's about text. Then you have filter. If you want to change different look and feel, just like the normal filter. Every time you adjust anything, make sure you click on this mark sign here to say that you've accepted what you've done. And you can trim your music or your video rather. You can reduce, you can increase, and all of that. You can cut and split, and background is there as well. You can crop. So try your hands on all of this too. That's just how to use Inshot. And if you want to add more video, just click on the plus sign by your work here. You see this plus sign? Just click on it. You can import additional video and photo. It is a very good tool and very useful. So that is just how it works. I hope you understand this, that Inshot can do so much for you. Please try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.